Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the completed Shopping Street Legos 2026 Modular Building Edition to their amazing lineup and ultimately coming alive with the Light My Bricks lighting system. This build and kit have been such a dream to put together. I've really loved seeing all of the unique techniques put on by this building view and also on the amazing lights that have been added. I had a few frustrating moments throughout hiding all the wires as I typically do. And maybe I'm just too focused on the interiors, I guess, that I probably don't need to be as crazy on hiding the wires because I probably don't open up the floors as much as I think that I'm going to. But it is something that you can definitely do, and I'm actually pretty proud of all the different the movements of all the wires and stuff. So if you actually look inside, besides this floor right here, this has two wires kind of hidden, and I couldn't really be bothered with hiding all of them. But the rest of the build, if you actually come look here, I'll start taking apart all the floors here. So these, basically no wires anywhere. Really proud of that floor. Let's put that back on. Let's get this off. I'll start showing. I'll probably just take this off first, just so you can see inside. So, not too bad in terms of all of the wires. Yeah. This one only had one light in this room, which I actually really like. Taking this off, you can actually see into, it's a bit tricky to get into that first floor. So let me just lift off this whole thing. There we go. So there's the music store. Basically no wires visible anywhere. This is a bit of a mess still on the dock here, but not too killer. You can't really see with the lights off on this one. So, but trust me, it is all taken off. Or sorry, the wires have all been taken down basically pretty perfectly. So this whole thing really was fun to do, but except for one little tiny detail, which I am going to show you in a second, and it bothered the heck out of me. This chair right there, I'm going to go look at it in detail. So this wire right here, this really was annoying because it's supposed to go behind this chair, and it's just two stud on top pieces that armchair fits on loosely at the best of times. But because there's a bit of extra girth on the wires, even though they're thin, it fell off. The arms fell off about 50 times. The wires fell apart. I started to just rewire the whole thing and actually put it underneath all of the plates, and even still it doesn't attach well. But the rest of the room I'm really happy with. Like, it looks pretty cool in here, except for, again, that wire coming down above the bed. Yeah, I don't know if it's worth fixing on this one. The only way that I could really hide it is to actually put it on the outside of the building, which I am very opposed to doing in most cases. So I think I'm just going to leave it. There was a lot of flimsiness on this board, or sorry, on the floor. So I would say if you are going to be doing this, make sure that you are holding the floor versus pushing it down onto a desk, because there will be lights underneath it on the floor below that will put it out of balance, and you'll start pushing through all the plates like I did a million times. So definitely hold it in your hands if you're pushing any of the pieces down on this floor. But yeah, I think all together, this finished product looks insane, and I really recommend picking this up with this particular kit. I think it's a masterpiece of design, and with lights added to it, it's going to be a very, very, very cool addition into my city. I'll actually show you on my YouTube channel exclusively where it's going to go into the city and give you a bit more of an in-depth view on some of the options that I'm going to be choosing. But my guess is right now it'll look the best. I've looked at quite a few other creators that have figured out which one this looks best on. And I think it makes sense to go right beside the boutique hotel. I'm not 100% on that one yet, but I think it's going to look pretty good there. So we'll play around with a few options and see how we go. But anyways, thank you for watching. This has been a lot of fun. I hope you're really enjoying this channel and the extra detail that I'm giving. Love to hear your thoughts and comments and requests. And if there's anything else that you think you want to be seeing on this channel, I'm just starting out this one. My Instagram one's getting fairly popular-ish. But this one's brand new and I kind of want to be doing a different thing to it. So for those that are early subscribers, now's your chance to kind of help me form some of the story and flavor of this content. If you're loving it, just let me know. If you're not and you want to be seeing some other cool stuff or hate my camera angles or whatever it is, I'm okay. I'm okay to take the feedback because I'm doing it for you. I'm doing it for me too because I love it, but ultimately it's something for you to enjoy as well too. So thanks for watching Bricklight Chronicles, and we'll see you on the next one.